And today we are back at McDonald's. And what do we have today?
Pokemon and Hello Kitty.
Yes, we have Pokemon, and this one is Hello Sanrio. Oh my God, which one do you want?
I don't really know, because I love that one, and that one.
You can't decide.
So probably that one.
All right, Adriana, which one do you want? The teacup? The teapot? All right, guys, let's
I'll
go
say
in.
that one. I'll say that one.
You'll say that one? All right, guys, let's go get our Happy Meals. Guys, we are back, and we have all of the Happy Meal toys. There are 8 of the Pokemon and 8 of the Hello Sanrio. All right, guys, you ready to open?
Yeah.
Yay! We just got back from the doctor. The kids just got their
Flu
flu
shot.
shots. All right, so now it is time to open up our surprises. Number 1 of the Pokemon. Number 1 of the Pokemon is Pikachu. Yay for Pikachu! Is everyone excited for Pikachu?
Yes.
Comment down below if you love Pokemon and if Pikachu is your favorite. Oh my goodness! Mike, look! Alright, so he's got a big tail. Hold him. And he comes with a card. Very, very cool. Okay, here you go. And
Wait a minute.
it also comes with a disc. And so if you look at directions, there is a button that you could turn on. And then it says you spin it. Oh my goodness, you spin it, and then what? What does it do? It rolls? Wait, what does it do? You got it to work, guys. You just got to push the button really hard. I guess I wasn't pushing hard enough. Look. So when you put it down on the table, you could see it's got a lightning flash. Look, it's a flash. Look at his shadow. That is so cool. Yay for Pikachu. Guys, number 2 we have Popilo. Alright, so Popilo.
I have a book of them.
Yeah, okay, so here's Popilo. Oh my goodness.
Can
Who
I
loves
see
this
this
one?
card? This is the one that I wanted.
Oh, look at Popilo. Here you go, this is the card. And this one is so cool. So you put it in water and then it squirts water out of its mouth. Alright, so let's get a cup of water and try this out. The water, and what you have to do is you have to pull this up. So you gotta go in, and then you gotta pull this up. So I pulled it up, say. Alright, is he in there? Are you ready, Mike? 1, 2. Ah! Let's try again. Ready? Oh! One more time. Oh, that is so cool! Love this one. Here we go with number 3. Number 3 is Luala. I really need help with the pronunciation of the Pokemon. I am not good at it, right, Mike? So please comment down below, Lunala. Tell me if that is the right way to say it. So it's like Luna. It's like light nighttime, right? Luna, doesn't that mean night and dark?
Wait, on the back, see?
Oh, very good, Ick. You are right. So we have to put this together. So here it is. That was easy. You just put the wings on, you just slide them in, and then it has a button, and when you push the button, it lights up. So when it's flying, oh, look at this side. Oh my goodness, look. All right, so you just push it, and it just goes around like this. I think this is the right way. This is his head, see? Oh my goodness, I love this one. And I like the last one, but now I think I like this one. I can't decide.
I like that one.
You like that one? Number 4 is Sogaleo. Right?
Yeah.
Am I saying that right? All right. So here is this. Oh my goodness.
It's on the back.
I like it.
It's on the back.
Oh, he's on the back too. Okay, so you turn it on. What does it do? Let's look at the card.
This is a sun.
What you do is you turn it on, and then when you turn the tail, the face lights up.
Mommy, look.
See, wait, hold on. Look it. So you turn it, and you keep turning it, and you'll see the face light up. Hold on. There. Oh wait, you pull the tail. You don't turn it. You pull. That's easier. You pull. Oh, so you pull his tail, and he lights up. Or you can, either way, pull it down, up, whatever. Awesome. This is a really, really cool one. Okay, number 5, we have Litten. It says Litten. I don't know. Litten.
It's like Litten chicken.
All right. Oh, I like him.
Looks
Oh
like
my
a
God. So I guess you
cat.
push.
It looks like a cat.
Oh, look.
It really looks like a cat. It looks
Let's-
like a devil cat.
He looks like a devil cat.
What's
All right.
that?
So let's see what the obviously put the disc in its mouth, right? Ah!
And I think it's
All right,
cute.
ready? Paige, ready? I'm gonna push the button. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait a second. It's not going. Hold on. I need 2 hands. Ah! Way to go, Litten.
It hit her in the chest.
Did it hit you?
No.
Sorry. That was Litten's fault. All right, let's try it again. You ready, Mike? On your mark. Get set. Go. Ah! Yay! Go, Litten. Go. Okay, guys. Here we go with number 6. We have Rolettes. Roulette. All right, here we go with roulette. Here's the card. And
Mommy, on the package it says it's a moon or a sun.
a moon or a sun. Okay, so I think this one's easy. I think he winds it up, see, and I think his feet go. Oh, I see his feet. Look, they're already starting. They're already starting to go. Are we ready? Let's put them down.
Wings the left feet.
Ready, set, go, roulette. Oh,
It's
cute.
so cool.
The card says it hops. There it goes.
Whoa!
It hops. Yay, go roulette. Woo! Oh, I love this one. See, I like them all. It is too hard to
Oh,
decide.
you all them.
Comment down below which one you like. Guys, number 7 is grubbin. I like grubbin already. I like that name, grubbin.
Let me look them.
Grubbin. Okay, so here's grubbin. All right, so this one winds. Oh, very cool. I like this one. So let's take out the directions on the card. There's the card. Alright, so basically what it says to do, oops, upside down. Okay, let's like this. Hear it? Whoa. This way. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Oh my God, he rolls back!
Oh, when he
Again.
fell down.
Whoa.
It bumped into
Whoa.
the other guy,
Whoa.
and he's going there.
Wow, that's awesome. Now that's, oh, he's going again. He's going again. Oh my gosh. Look, he's going again. That's an awesome one. I really, look, see? I like them all. I can't decide, Mike. I can't. All right, guys, last but not least, we have number 8. And number 8 is Young Goose. Young Goose. 8 is great. Young Goose. Oh my God, I love him. Look at his mouth. All right, so he rolls up too. Look at his mouth.
Because it's whole belly is out and it's to eat. Say hello.
Don't bite my finger. Here I go. I'm going to roll him back. Oh, when I roll him back, look it. See his mouth? His mouth goes open and closed. You see? So you just roll him. The faster you roll him, the faster he moves. So there you have it. There are all 8 of the Pokemons. I don't know. I don't think I have a favorite because I like too many. I like too many.
Yeah, me too.
So comment down below and tell us which one at home
I
you
like
like.
this one.
I know that one's so cute. He hops around. I like the water. I don't know. All right, let's
Yeah,
get
I like the
opening.
water.
Age, want to open up the Hello Kitty? All right, guys, keep watching because we're opening up all of the 8 Hello Kitty or Hello Sanrio. We go with number 1, and number 1 we have the Hello Kitty teapot. Hello Kitty teapot. Adriana, isn't this the one you wanted, the teapot? Oh, so here's the top. She's very, very cute, and she comes with a lid, of course. And the lid is a little bow. And her card. Where's her card? Oh, there's her card. Hello Kitty. Yeah.
And,
So there she
and we
is.
can put little one in there.
Yeah. All right, we can put water. Yeah, sure. Number
And we can
2.
jump into the top, right?
Yep. Number 2 is the My Melody teacup. So we got the teapot and now the teacup.
I want that one too.
Oh, I love this one. look at how cute the top is. Look.
I want that one too.
Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh my gosh.
I want that one too.
My favorite. So
I
if
want
you
that
look, her
too.
card is in here. My Melody, it says.
It's only like my store friend named Melanie, right?
Look, very cute. So you put it right in here and you can, oh my goodness. I love it.
I won the books with those ones.
You did. So number 3, we have Hello Kitty teacup. Another one. It's another
There's
teacup.
a lot of teacups.
Not My Melody though. This one's a different one.
Whoa.
This, oh look. So here's, oh my god, there's a penguin. Come on. There we go. So if you hold it this way, you can see it doesn't move. It's just a hard. And you can put it this way. You can put it either way, right? Yeah. Can you put it either way? Yeah. Very cute. Let's turn it. Oh, yay. And then here is the card for this one. Yay. I love this one. We have the Choco Cat Juicer. This is a juicer. Choco Cat Juicer. If you guys see all of our McDonald's videos, we did a we did a Hello Kitty before, so go back and look at that video. There is a McDonald's playlist that you can check out to see. I don't know why these discs are in the bag, but here's the disc. So that's what the Choco Cat is. And then it's a juicer. So here it is. And you can actually put, I bet you can put an orange, definitely put an orange on here. And you can push and you can juice this. And then voila, you have orange juice. Guys, let's make orange juice. Very, very cute. We have the Pumpkin Purin teacup. Another teacup. Oh, look at how cute he is. Pumpkin Purin. Oh, wow. Oh. So here is the top. Oh, look at how cute this is. And then the card is inside. So this is the Pom Purin. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I hope I am. Let's put the top on. Oh, look at how cute this is. So Hello Kitty is on the top. And that's the bottom. Yay! Alright. Next up we have number 6. Number 6 we have Creamer. Bouts. What is it? Creamer. Boutsmaru? Boutsmaru? I don't know if I'm saying it right. Oh, yay! Oh, it's a creamer. Oh my goodness, look. Oh, look at how cute this is. Alright, so this is what this one looks like. Oh my god, how cute. Alright, so here is the cup. And this is Boutsmaru. Boutsmaru. And then the top is the Hello Kitty top. And you can push it down and up. Oh, look how cute. Very cute. Number 7 is the Karopi teacup. Karopi teacup looks like this. Oh. And then, oh, look at this. Very cute. Does it do something? Looks like it does something. Does it turn? There's no disc in here. Very cool though. Oh wait, there is a disc. There's the disc. Karopi! There's Karopi. Oh wait, here, the feet. The feet move, see? Ah, there we go. Hello Kitty is dancing. Dance, baby, dance. Dance, baby, dance. Love this one. This one I think is my favorite. Alright guys, last but not least, we have number 8. And number 8 is the Hello Kitty tea tray. This is a tea tray. Ah! This is a big tea tray. Alright. Oh, look at this. So let's get this, take it and pull it apart. And then here's all the characters inside. And then you could keep your paper inside, I think. You can fold them, all different ones. You can rip it.
That's good, Michael.
And there we go. So here we have this one. So if you have a little tea party, I guess you could put them like this.
You push in.
There.
Go grab
Alright, so there is the card. It's the Hello Kitty card. And then again, you just pull it apart. And then I already put these all out. Wow, that's pretty cool. Alright guys, so here are all of our Hello Kitties. Yay! I don't even know which one is my favorite out of this group. I definitely like this one. Woo! This one's cute. Love, love, love this spins. Love it. Love this one. The juicer. The juicer's cool. And then of course, the penguin. Comment down below and tell us which one is your favorite out of these 8. Guys, we are done with this video, and there are all 16 of the new McDonald's Happy Meal toys. Whoop, whoop. We are super excited. Mike, you want to turn over the box and tell everyone what's up next?
Yes.
All right, go ahead. What does it say?
Holiday expressions.
Holiday Express. Right?
Yeah.
There.
Oh, the Holiday Express.
Yes, up next, Holiday Express. It's going to be awesome because what's holiday is coming? Christmas. Well, Thanksgiving and then Christmas. But yes, we are going to be doing the next one. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button so you don't miss all the uploads from all of our McDonald's videos. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to comment. We comment back to everybody. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Mike likes it. Say bye.
Bye.